Something's not right. Something's not right. Something's not right.
B-29.
Carrying the X-1.
Carrying the X-1.
X-1 is the rocket-powered glider, basically, that Chuck Yeager broke the sound barrier with.
Here we go.
It's showtime.
The little orange X-1. We're going to take it up to altitude and release this little glider and simulate this breaking the sound barrier. This is Mac Hodges at the controls of the big B-29.
Wow, he didn't waste no time.
20-foot wingspan, smoke on for visibility. This weighs 100 pounds with electric retracts. It does have air brakes. There's 12 batteries on board with 4 Zinger 24-inch propellers powered by 4 Desert Aircraft 100cc engines. There's 19 turbos on this aircraft. 8 of the A123 receiver batteries.
8 receiver batteries.
A lot of hardware airborne. Mac Hodges from Hodges Hobby out of Georgia taking an airborne for us. Buddy Curtis is going to be the second pilot of the X-1. Mac will take it high up to altitude. He'll release the X-1 and say goodbye to Chuck Yeager as he makes an attempt to break the sound barrier. Keep your eye on that little X-1 heading back down to Earth. And then you watch the videos of this thing in real life, there was a lot of shaking and vibration. Breaking in the sound barrier, he is back to Earth. There we go. Now that is a real rocket X-1. Just to throw in a little element of surprise for you.
They only had one rocket. I don't know what the last
And Buddy Curtis at the controls of the X-1. Mac Hodges is still up above with the B-29.
Yeah.
Alright, better turn it in.
Well, you know, B-29 is not meant to carry bombs over the top. Mac has added another dimension. He's putting it up to get the nose to stall. Meanwhile, Buddy Curtis bringing the X-1 back to the Earth. Nice job.
Oh, no, that was... No.
Directing your attention high above show center, the B-29, into the dreaded flat spin. This Jimmy tears the wings off, throws the pilots against the wall, making it almost impossible to bail out of the aircraft. More importantly, it's a maneuver that the B-29 would probably never recover from in real life. Wow. Oh, back Port Nichols and his Ford Desert Aircraft 100cc engines to set up one of my favorite maneuvers. A great photo opportunity for you, the 4-point roll. Turning around the right side of the field.
Let's try it.
There we go, make the turn. 20-foot wingspan on this 100-pound B-29. And here we go, from your right. Pulling it up on the wingtip for 1. Have a good view of the bottom side, going inverted for 2. The top side of the aircraft for 3 and back to level flight for 4 as the exit shows center. The B-29 is 1 point roll.
Wow, that's cool. That's hot.
Alright, this is one of my favorites. He's going to be setting up for a really crazy maneuver.
Tail slide.
Watch the shadow. I'm not even going to tell you what kind of money just went by that close to the ground. You never know whose wife's in the audience. There's a stall turn on the right side of the field into a wall with B-29.
Two engines. Give them credit. 2 engines on that first stick.
Loop the bottom
Like
side of
15,000
the 8.
hours.
45-degree downside.
No, this is an Owen maneuver.
Pulling power up on the upside. Urging it up over the top. Crossing the center of the loop. Pulling the power back. And closing the big B-29 loop.
I was thinking the outside.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Never mind. I don't think that one will do it.
Yeah. I hate to see it.
That's what I tell her. Mine will never do it.
This is a maneuver called the Immelman, coming up on half of a loop, rolling the aircraft back to level flight and getting away from what would have been a simulated bomb drop. To get the pilot away from the bomb blast. Now, the outside loop. This throws the pilot closing the bottom of the loop, inverted and very close to the airfield.
Oh! Come on, keep it, hang on to it. Oh! What were you saying, Greg? Oh, he's going inverted. Oh my God.
I can do this.
This you can do.
Here we go. From the left. Oh, the inverted pass of the B-29. Now, if you've gone to aerobatic contests, you watch pilots do a maneuver all the time, and this one's for Kyle Goodwine, my buddy from Orange County. I want him to watch this. This is the hover with the B-29 with 4 DA-100s. Just hanging it on the prop, he'll back it right down into the smoke. 100 pounds hanging in the air. Mac Hodges, ladies and gentlemen, with the B-29. Just phenomenal. Mac runs a beautiful hobby shop. You can check it online, HodgesHobbies.com. And now, for the mandatory maneuver in the landing.
No, that's optional.
Try to approach, gear down, really close to the deck.
Really close.
What a Ladies and gentlemen, Mac Hodges and Buddy Curtis with the big B-29 and the X-1.
That's not right. Oh, God.
Where can you see this? Where can you see this at?
Oh, yeah.
What? Fun Key West at YouTube.com. Top Gun 2011. Yeah. Cut.